Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with UK FTSE futures. A bullish engulfing pattern yesterday, coincidentally, and I think only coincidentally in my opinion, mainly based on the rising short moving average currently at 70.99. Now further below, we have support at the flatlining short medium moving average currently at 70.41. The gently rising medium moving average currently 70.15, and perhaps most important of all, the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 69.76. Meanwhile overhead, we have the lesser projected Fibonacci line at 71.44, the August high at 71.49, and then the combination of the all-time high at 72.17.5 and the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 72.16. Now I have drawn a July to August based bullish Andrews pitchfork, more because it fits rather than because it has a deeper meaning. Indeed, I don't as yet have much confidence in it. We're currently between the lower time, currently 70.51, and the middle time, currently 71.54. Part of my reasoning is that we still haven't expunged the idea of a June to date double top pattern. It still sits there, this idea, just brooding. So far today, a lower open and a drop through the short moving average towards the lower time, but taking fright too soon and not testing it, thus ending up back over the short moving average for now. German DAX futures. A small, in relative terms, but perfectly formed key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern yesterday. And because it is so small and perfectly formed like a precision piece of machinery, I'm pretty sure that the first knock it gets, it will come off balance. I hate to say it, but that is what I suspect. Below the market we have the short moving average currently at 15.811, and then the interesting flatlining short medium moving average currently 15.656, as well as the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 15.629. And a not so secure October to date uptrend also currently at 15.604. Meanwhile topside, we have seemingly little in the way until the lesser projected Fibonacci line at 15.969 and then the all-time high from 2 weeks ago at 16.024. So far today, a lower opening and a straight move down, but shying up and away from testing the short medium moving average. US E-mini S&P futures. A key reversal up yesterday, but at the height of the market, as we made new all-time highs at the open, high and close. It was also a first real test overhead of the upper trend line, currently 44.97, of the June to date rising wedge pattern that we've been within. Topside resistances are now getting concentrated as we have the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 4500, not that far above. Now further overhead we have a lesser projected Fibonacci line at 45.25 than a 50% projected Fibonacci line at 45.40. So far today, a higher open, thus a new all-time high, but then an immediate drop down to the support from last week's high at 44.76.5 before bouncing back up towards the open. French CAC 40 futures. Still a strange week here, overall. You see, after Friday's hammer, we had an appropriately gapped higher, yet indecisive spinning top on Monday, a reactionary combined bearish engulfing pattern and outside day on Tuesday, then an immediate countering bullish harami yesterday, and then today. A lower opening, well, what looks right now like an indecisive spinning top, which nevertheless still followed on to the last 2 days by dipping down to the next immediate support of the short medium moving average, currently at 66.19, before pulling back up. All very strange, though today's action has filled in the gap left over from last week and currently 66.21 to 66.52. Anyway, topside we still have the resistance from the old June high at 66.87. Further below, we have the seemingly strong support combination of the lower time, currently at 65.05 of the May to July bullish Andrews pitchfork, along with its partner since July, the rising medium moving average, currently at 64.90. So far today, well, I'd covered that already, but it does look like an indecisive spinning top or maybe even a doji cross today at the moment. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.